welcome all of you. Discuss what are the needs or what are the circumstances to calculate the goodwill. There are different circumstances. The first one, sole proprietor or sole trader. When sole proprietor or sole trader wants to sell his business, or when sole proprietor or sole trader wants to purchase another business. In these circumstances, you have to calculate the goodwill. Next one, partnership. There are also different circumstances in partnership firm. First one, admission. When a new partner comes into the partnership firm, he has to bring an additional amount with his capital. Means what a new partner is bringing an additional amount with his capital, that is a goodwill. In this circumstance, you have to calculate the goodwill. Means this circumstances is also reason. This circumstances is also needed to calculate the goodwill. Next one, retirement. When a partner retires from partnership firm, the existing partners have to give their additional amount to the retired partner. Apart from capital, profit, reserve and surplus, the existing partners have to give their additional amount to the retired partner. Mean what the additional amount is given to the retired partner, that is the goodwill. But the calculation of the goodwill is very important. These circumstances is also reason. These circumstances is also needed to calculate the goodwill. Next one, death. To the relative of a death partner, the existing partner have to give the additional amount to the relative of a death partner. In these circumstances, you have to calculate the goodwill. Next one, amalgamation. When a firm wants to amalgamate with another firm by forming a new firm, on that situation also how to calculate the goodwill. Next one, if there is a change in a profit sharing ratio calculation, on that situation also how to calculate the goodwill. Next one, conversion. Conversion means conversion of partnership firm into limited liability of partnership firm, or conversion of partnership firm into limited company. On that situation, you have to calculate the goodwill. Means the additional amounts are to be distributed to the existing partners. That is the goodwill. These circumstances give the reason to calculate the goodwill. Okay, these are all circumstances to calculate the goodwill. Next one, limited company. In a limited company, there are also different circumstances. First one, sale. When a company wants to sell its business, means the vendor company has to give an additional amount to the vendor company. Means the purchasing company has to give an additional amount to the vendor company, that is a goodwill. Okay, this circumstance is also reason to calculate the goodwill. This circumstance is also needed to calculate the goodwill. Second one, amalgamation. When more than two companies are combined and forming a new company, That is amalgamation of company. In the amalgamation of a company, the goodwill is to be calculated. The goodwill is to be calculated means it is also one of the reason to calculate the goodwill under circumstance of amalgamation. Third one, holding and subsidiary company. First, you have to try to understand what do you mean by holding company. When a company acquires more than 50% of the shares in another company, the acquiring the shares by another company, acquiring the shares by a company in another company, that is holding company. In which company the shares were purchased, that company is treated as a subsidiary company. In these circumstances, also how to calculate the goodwill. Next one, acquisition by the government. Sometimes the government wants to purchase the private company or maybe public company, whatever it may be. Means the government has to give the additional amount to the shareholders of the private company or public company. Means to what extent an additional amount is given to the shareholders of the company. That is a question to the government. On that situation, the goodwill is to be calculated. This is also one of the reasons to calculate the goodwill. Next one, large block of shares. When a person wants to purchase a number of shares, means a block number of shares, large number of shares. When a person wants to purchase a large number of shares in a company, and that circumstances have to calculate the goodwill. It is needed to calculate the goodwill. Okay, these are all circumstances to calculate the goodwill in a limited company. What are those? Sale, amalgamation, holding and subsidiary, acquisition by government, last on a large block of shares. Thank you for watching this video.